Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to connect to Vertex. So for example, I will use the cube objects and you can go to polycube once, set for the subdivision, like I will set into 3, also in here 3 and dips into 3. The next to connect between two vertices, you can set to the vertex selections, right click, hold, and then choose the vertex. Like I will connect from this corner point into here. So I will create for the edge. You can use the multicut, this icon, and then you can click on the vertex one and the second vertex. So to be connect with the edge like this. Okay. And if you want to merge between two vertices, you can select the vertex. So I will use the selection tools and then I will select at these two vertex. Don't forget to press control button to select multiple. And you can press shift button, hold, right click, and then you can choose merge vertex. And here I will use merge to center. So to be merged between the vertex. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to connect to Vertex.